Well, hey folks, I'm hard at work sorting the florals and arrangements, and I'm having to, believe it or not, I'm having to get ready for a season. I don't even want to say the name yet. It's coming like a freight train. And when you're doing videos, you got to be ahead of it and on top of it. So I thought I'd show you some of what I have to go through to sort everything we have for that four-letter word I don't want to say right here on my take on Home and Garden. Now, like anybody, we use nice bins to keep our things sorted like this. So I'm putting spring away, making some last minute cuts. Still got some spring going on in these large floor vases, so we're going to put them away. There's some other magnolia. Here again, where I can show you where I can use this for another season. This will still work well in fall. We're going to move along and show you what I'm facing. Now, I've just started to get the fall stuff out, to go through it, see what we have, see what we don't have, see what I need for this year. Some things we're not going to disclose. So I'm going to get the camera ready and show you all around. So here's spring flowers we're putting away. And then we're sorting some of the stems and things that we can use for the late summer and the fall. Then as we get into fall, you know, we have color change. Even our sprinkler can changes. Beautiful autumn colors and rusty tones in the roses. The lavender's darker. The ferns are turning. All things that would happen in the fall. Even some old crows. Like I say, I don't want to spend a lot of time, I don't want to spoil it, but I just want to show you what I deal with. Now, this is stuff that you have not seen yet. that's going to go into our arrangements. The cutest brass bucket from Hobby Lobby. And the coolest milk crate. Just perfect for fall. On top of these things, I get to take apart all the summer arrangements, which you saw, because I'll need a little bit of that too. Some of the whites, some of the yellows. And some of the fruit. Well, that's what we're working on, folks. Even though we've got a little time left to get ahead of it, we gotta be ready. And we thought we'd show you the sneak peek of the week. So folks, hopefully you liked our sneak peek into fall. And if you did, please give us a thumbs up, a like, a share. We know you're subscribed, so thank you everybody. We appreciate you. Take care now, and we'll see you in the next video.